For members of the Public Relations Society of America, or PRSA, it's not always easy to tell when PRSA national leaders are peddling false information. After all, PRSA claimed for years to have more than 30,000 members. But new data, only uncovered in 2024, now prove that PRSA falsified that number by a lot. PRSA barely had half that number. PRSA's fuzzy math doesn't end there. Millions in financial discrepancies and legally non-compliant reporting of member dollars have occurred in PRSA for many years. It dates back at least to 2018, when the chair of PRSA teamed up with two other past chairs of PRSA, both of whom were employed with ethics-embattled Wells Fargo. Together, they defeated important ethics reforms in PRSA bylaws. Meanwhile, PRSA grossly overpays senior staff while the organization has been failing. They spin and deflect and are rewarded for failure. Their national board appears not even to know what questions to ask to hold paid executives accountable. And what about that so-called clean audit that PRSA uses to deflect valid questions and concerns? The truth is, PRSA's audit firm has not changed in more than 15 years, a major failure in best practice. PRSA's own audit firm was written up in the news media in recent years, found in violation of major audit rules by the Public Company Accounting Oversight Board. And before that, this same firm was fined for even earlier violations by the Securities and Exchange Commission, yet PRSA kept retaining them. Don't bother demanding answers of PRSA's audit committee. You're not even allowed to know who they are. It's a PRSA board policy to keep members in the dark. Today, in 2024, PRSA nominates and purposely slates individuals to assume national officer positions in PRSA who literally have not a clue how financials even work or why proper reporting to the Internal Revenue Service is an important fiduciary responsibility.
You know, it would be like an accountant telling me about some IRS tax issue. Not a clue. Isn't there a book for that? I don't know. Go to the website.
Only you cannot go to the website for PRSA's legally compliant 12-month financials because PRSA refuses to post any there. In fact, PRSA only posts 11-month financials, so you never have a full picture of how much they've lost or how close PRSA may be to insolvency. PRSA national leadership is harming the public relations industry with incompetence and negligence. PRSA members, or any member of the public relations industry, can call or email the Office of the New York Attorney General to request a full investigation and forensic accounting audit of PRSA's financial misreporting, discrepancies, and unexplained losses. Multiple complaint packets have already been filed with the Office of the New York Attorney General seeking a full investigation. So the hard work in documenting the facts has already been done. Your call will drive urgency for the process to move forward toward proper legal review. Until then, members can only hope that PRSA's presumptive 2025 chair-elect brushes up on her math skills, or any of her skills.
Now, funny story. So what is it, the GRE? What's the thing you take? Okay, well, so I took that. And if you count up all the sections, I didn't pass one of them.